Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of finance? Well, it's an exciting time in the finance sector as AI continues to redefine traditional norms. This technology is not just an optional tool anymore, it's becoming a vital player in the financial ecosystem. In 2021, we saw a surge in the adoption of AI and machine learning tools by enterprises, as noted by Forbes. These powerful technologies are now being woven into the fabric of various business functions, bringing about a paradigm shift in how we understand and handle finance. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, there's an increasing emphasis on its adaptability, robustness, and explainability. The mainstream integration of AI isn't just about using sophisticated tools, it's about ensuring that these tools are reliable, can be validated, and their workings can be explained. So, are you ready to delve into this fascinating world? Now let's delve deeper into the recent advancements in AI and its impact on finance. Did you know AI is not just transforming traditional finance, but also digital finance? Imagine you're browsing through an online marketplace and suddenly you receive personalized financial product suggestions that perfectly align with your needs. This is no coincidence, but the result of artificial intelligence, or AI, working behind the scenes. AI is revolutionizing digital finance, and one of its key roles is promoting consumer upgrades. It's like having a personal financial advisor sitting in your pocket, guiding you to make smarter decisions. By analyzing your spending patterns, income, and financial goals, AI can suggest the most appropriate products and services, encouraging you to upgrade and optimize your financial habits. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into a recent study published on Science Direct that provides an interesting perspective on this. The research delves into how AI, particularly Explainable AI, or XAI, is used to analyze the relationship between digital finance and consumption upgrading. This study uses data from various sources, including the China Household Finance Survey and the Digital Financial Inclusion Index of Peking University. The findings? XAI techniques offer innovative economic insights that go beyond what traditional linear regression models can provide. But what does this mean for you? Well, it means that AI can help you understand and act on complex financial matters. It can guide you to make better financial decisions by providing insights into your consumption patterns. In essence, it's reshaping the way we manage our finances, making it more personalized, efficient, and user-friendly. Moreover, the study underscores how digital finance, powered by AI, is influencing consumption structures. As more people adopt digital finance, their consumption habits are changing. They are becoming more sophisticated, turning to digital platforms for financial advice and using digital payment methods more frequently. Clearly, AI is playing a significant role in shaping the future of digital finance. AI is not just a tool for financial institutions anymore, it's becoming a trusted advisor for consumers, helping them navigate the complex world of finance with ease and confidence. Isn't it fascinating how AI is making finance more accessible and understandable for everyone? Ever heard of Explainable AI or XAI? It's the next big thing in the AI world. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. Explainable AI, often referred to as XAI. It's a new wave in the AI realm, steering us away from the conventional black box AI models towards a more transparent, understandable approach. The beauty of XAI is its ability to provide clear explanations of its decision-making process, making it a game changer, especially in sectors like finance, where understanding and trust are paramount. Let's take a look at a recent study that employed XAI in the field of digital finance. The researchers used an XAI method to analyze the relationship between digital finance and consumer upgrades, utilizing data from the China Household Finance Survey and the Digital Financial Inclusion Index of Peking University. The results? XAI techniques provided more innovative economic insights compared to traditional linear regression models. The study demonstrated the potential of XAI in financial data analysis and its ability to uncover meaningful and practical insights about nonlinear relationships. XAI has the power to revolutionize the way we understand and use AI in finance. By providing more transparent and understandable AI models, it enables us to make more informed decisions based on AI's analyses. For instance, financial institutions can leverage XAI to understand complex financial patterns and trends, thus driving strategic decision-making and risk management. But perhaps the most significant contribution of XAI is its potential to enhance trust in AI. By offering explanations for its decisions, XAI can help dispel some of the uncertainties and fears associated with AI, thus fostering greater acceptance and use of AI in finance. So, XAI not only makes AI more transparent, but also more useful in finance. So what does the future hold for AI in finance? As we transition into an era where digital transformation is no longer a luxury but a necessity, the role of AI in finance is set to evolve dramatically. Firstly, expect to see a surge in the adoption of agile methodologies in AI development. Financial institutions are becoming more receptive to change and are keen to leverage the benefits of AI. Agile methodologies will allow these institutions to iterate quickly, respond to market trends, and deliver value to their customers faster than ever before. We're also likely to witness the emergence of new roles within the financial sector. One such role is the AI validator. These individuals will be tasked with ensuring the robustness and adaptability of AI models. In a world where decisions are increasingly driven by algorithms, the role of AI validators will be crucial in maintaining trust and integrity in the system. But it's not just about building robust AI models, it's also about making these models understandable. The future of AI in finance hinges on the concept of explainability. As AI becomes more prevalent, there's a growing demand for transparency. Users want to understand how decisions are made, especially when these decisions impact their financial well-being. This need for explainability is driving the development of responsible AI that is not only effective but also ethical and understandable. Moreover, the integration of AI into various business functions is set to become mainstream. AI will no longer be confined to back-end processes, but will permeate every aspect of business operations. From customer service to risk management, AI will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of finance. So, buckle up! The future of finance is undoubtedly intertwined with the advancements in AI. The journey ahead is exciting, filled with possibilities and opportunities that we are only beginning to grasp. As we move forward, one thing is certain: AI is not just changing finance, it's revolutionizing it. But how is AI in finance being applied in the real world? Artificial intelligence has been making waves in the financial sector, and real-world applications are becoming increasingly common. To understand this better, let's consider the example of Elon Musk. Known for his innovative ideas and ventures, Musk has expressed interest in creating a super app. This application plans to integrate various functionalities such as social networking, payments, finance, and more. Imagine the power of a platform that can handle your social media interactions while also managing your financial transactions. It's like having a personal assistant who not only keeps you socially connected but also financially savvy. This is the power of AI in finance, making it possible to create platforms with multiple functionalities. Moreover, Musk's recent acquisition of Twitter has been a game changer. His plans for the platform have led to significant changes, prompting some users to search for alternatives. This move highlights how AI can be used to transform existing platforms and services, redefining the way we interact with the digital world. In the financial sector specifically, AI's potential is immense. From risk assessment and fraud detection to investment predictions and customer service, AI is revolutionizing the way financial institutions operate. The use of AI in finance is not just about automating tasks, but about making smarter decisions, providing personalized services, and ensuring greater security. In the world of digital finance, AI is a game changer. It's not just about convenience, but about creating smarter systems that can learn, adapt, and improve over time. This is the power of AI, a technology that is capable of not only understanding data, but also making sense of it. As we move forward, we can expect to see more real-world applications of AI in finance. The future of finance is digital, and AI is at the helm, steering us towards a world where financial management is smarter, safer, and more efficient. From digital finance to social networking, AI is making its presence felt everywhere. It's clear that AI is not just a buzzword in finance. We've journeyed through a compelling narrative that underscores the transformative role of AI in the world of finance. From its fundamental role in digital finance to its profound potential, AI is reshaping the financial landscape in ways beyond our imagination. We've explored Explainable AI, a game changer that brings with it the promise of transparency and understanding in financial decisions. It's not just about crunching numbers anymore. It's about making sense of those numbers, unraveling the complex web of financial data to provide meaningful insights. We've also taken a glimpse into the future, a future where AI becomes an integral part of finance. From agile methodologies to the emergence of new roles, AI is set to become an inseparable part of our financial ecosystem. And let's not forget the real-world applications of AI in finance. We've seen how AI can be leveraged to upgrade consumer experiences, drive economic growth, and optimize financial services. As we move forward, the fusion of AI and finance promises to create more innovative, efficient, and transparent financial services for everyone.
Enjoyed your journey into the AI Future Hub? Support us by click subscribe, hit like, share it around. Keep the future at your fingertips. Loop in, don't miss out.